is problem number 18, cutout section. So in this one rectangle is given and from one circle is being cut out. So hatching lines are shown. I will read the problem first. Find the moment of inertia of a hollow section shown in figure about an axis passing through CG. So we have to locate the center of CG, center of gravity, x bar and y bar. Then we have to find its moment of inertia about that axis, horizontal x axis. So to find I axis, for that first we locate CG. X bar will be what? Since it is symmetrical about vertical axis, see this figure is symmetrical about this vertical axis. Circle is also in center and this rectangle. So x bar will be half of 200. X bar will be maximum width half. That is 200 by 200 milli. So I am drawing the x bar line, which will pass exactly from the center of this figure. This distance is x bar, passing exactly from the center. Now similarly we have to look at y bar. So formula for y bar, this is new. In this problem, this step is important. I am marking star over here. Formula for y bar, watch out. A1 y1 minus A2 y2 upon total area. Total area will be also A1 minus A2. So here we will find one by one all the areas. We will number it first. I am numbering rectangle as 1 and circle as 2. So now I will find the areas y1 y2 to get the final answer. A1 will be equal to rectangle. A1 is rectangle. So 200 into 300. 200 into 300. This will be equal to 16 to 10 raised to 3 millimeter raised to 3. A2 will be equal to, A2 is circle. Area of circle is pi by 4 d square. So pi by 4. Diameter of this circle is given as 150. 150 square. So I am getting the answer as 17.67 into 10 raised to 3 millimeter square. So A1, A2 I have. Now I have to find y1, y1 and then y2. So this is figure number 1. Y1 will be where its diagonal meet. I am not drawing the diagonal. It will be very mixed up. So its diagonal will meet exactly at the center. So the vertical distance from there to bottom will be half of 300. So y1 will be 300 by 2, which is 150 millimeter. y2, distance of this circle G2 till bottom. So this distance will be this much distance. So total is 300. Upper one is 100. 300 minus 100. So this remaining distance will be 200. So from center to the bottom distance is 200. So y2 is 200 millimeter. Now substitute this value. I will find total area also. So total area I am finding here. Total area will be, this is also important, A1 minus A2. In previous problem we have to plus the area, but this is cutout section. So in this you have to subtract the areas, and y bar formula there will be minus sign. So A1 minus A2. A1 is 60 into 10 raised to 3 minus A2 is how much? 17.67 into 10 raised to 3. On subtracting you will get the value in millimeter square. That will be the total area, cutout area. So the total area is 42.33 into 10 raised to 3. 42.33 into 10 raised to 3. Now I have all the values. I will be putting in this y bar formula. So y bar will be equal to a1 is how much? 60 into 10 raised to 3 into y1 is 150 minus a2 is 17.67 into 10 raised to 3. y2 is 200 a1 y1 minus a2 y2 upon total area. a1 minus a2 we have calculated just now, 42.33 into 10 raised to 50. On solving this, we will get the value of y bar in millimeter. Then we will locate that y bar over here. So I am getting the answer as 129.128. So it is at a distance of 129 point something. So it is less than 150. So it will be somewhere here below. Just by guess you have to locate this. So this is the centroid of this figure G. You have to find moment of inertia for this x axis, I axis. So that moment of inertia of this circle plus moment of inertia of this rectangle. So we have to apply parallel axis theorem over here. Now Ixx will be Ixx1 minus Ixx2. Important step, again I have to star over here. Cutout section, so there will be minus sign because that area has been removed. This circular area has been removed. Ixx1 is of this bigger rectangular section. Ixx2 is of this circular section. So again we will apply parallel axis theorem. Ig1 plus a1 h1 square minus Ig2 plus, this is the form plus sign for parallel axis theorem. Here it will be always plus. Minus will be in between the axis and axis. a2 h2 square. So Ig1, moment of inertia of this rectangle. One is rectangle. Moment of inertia of rectangle about x-axis is BD cube by 12 plus a1 we have already calculated. H1 will be what? Y bar minus y1 square. After this step we will substitute the values, minus sign as it is. Moment of inertia of a circle along its x-axis is pi by 64 d raised to 4 plus a2 will be as it is. H2 will be y bar minus y2 the whole square. So these two square brackets are ready. Again we put all the values from the figure. We target to get the final answer. So I am putting, substituting the values. B is how much? 200. 200 into D is how much? 300. 300 cube divided by 12 plus A1 is how much? A1 is 60 into 10 raised to 3 into y bar is 129.128 minus y1 is 150 square. So this is the first bracket, minus sign in between as it is. Second bracket, pi by 64. Diameter of circle is 150. 150 raised to 4 plus A2. A2 was 17.67 into 10 raised to 3. Y bar minus y2. Y bar is 129.128. Y2 is 200 square. Close this bracket. So on solving this first square bracket we will get the answer. On solving the second square bracket we will get the answer and minus sign will be there. Be careful here, minus sign. Have to subtract the values to get the final answer in millimeter raised to 4. So on solving this first square bracket I got the answer as 476.13 into 10 raised to 6 on first. On solving the second square bracket, I got the answer as 113.60. 113.60 into 10 raised to 6. On subtracting these two, I got the final answer as 362.53. 362.53 into 10 raised to 6. So this is the final answer which need to be calculated. Moment of inertia through its CG, centroidal axis, only one axis was asked, or x-axis. So this is the problem for cutout section. Here you have to be careful. In cutout section, y1 formula the new minus, and in this ixx1 minus ixx2 will be the row. So hope this problem is clear to everyone. Thank you very much.